So the main problem with my wife's new Maverick is that she thinks that it's a car. She likes having it kept nice inside. So there's a little bit of stuff here. That's a no-no. I'm in trouble for that unless I clean that up. But I think it's a pickup truck. And that's how I'm using it. But it usually means I have to spend a long time cleaning it after every time I use it. Because this stuff makes a little bit of a mess. So does my usual stuff. Making pizza ovens and houses out of mud. Gosh, that took me 4.5 hours at the car wash to get all cleaned up last weekend before she got home. But Maverick does a nice job. It's like barely squatting a tiny bit with all that in the back. So still getting 40 plus miles to the gallon. Works for me. I just gotta keep it nice because it's hers. UncleMud.com. Come play in the mud with us sometime.